Hey you, what up? Maryam here, welcome to my channel or welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing and reviewing NARS 2020 holiday collection. Now, NARS is one of those brands that excels at holiday collections. Last year was incredible, Studio 54 themed. It was actually one of my favorite holiday collections to date. This time around, I want to see how this 2020 collection stacks up to the previous, because it is 2020, so I want to see what the fuss is all about. I have not opened up this PR package yet. It's still sealed. So I'm gonna do all that on camera with you. I'll show you all the sets that they have available for this holiday season. I'm gonna try them on, swatch them, review them, try to create a look with them, and of course, give you guys a verdict at the end. Don't buy till I try. Remember to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see all of my Wednesdays and Sundays videos. And now let's get to it. NARS Holiday 2020 collection, dressed to thrill or to kill? Anyway, let's get started. So here we have the package. Ooh, just judging by the PR package, I'm assuming that it's gonna be gold themed, which is why I dressed up in gold today. I love gold. Ooh! All right, so I just opened up a little tissue paper. Everything is packed up so nicely in here. Kind of looks like a little advent calendar situation, but it's not. This is just for PR. But looks like there's a lot of items in here. A bunch of sets. There's some lip balm sets, some iconic glow duo sets, some lipsticks, a blush. Ooh, a climax set. Yes. Mini lipsticks. Some cute little stocking stuffers. And we have a Lips Uncensored lipsticks kit. All right, so I've just laid out everything here in front of me, and looks like this 2020 holiday collection by NARS does not have any eyeshadow palettes, which is kind of a bummer because I have nothing on my eyes, and I was hoping that I would be able to create some sort of look. I was hoping for some glitter or for some shimmery sets, but looks like there's nothing of the sort here. Looks like this collection is very much on the lipstick heavy side, so there's a lot of lip sets. So let's go ahead and get started with the first set. This one is called Lips Uncensored Lipstick Set, and it comes with this really cool, super metallic, chromatic makeup bag. In the bag, we have 3 full-size NARS lipsticks. We've got Orgasm, which is their satin peachy pink with shimmer. Kind of balmy in my opinion. Next we have Toe Lead, which is a satin pink rose. Gorgeously pigmented. And the last one is Pour Toujours, which is a matte warm pink. Doesn't look like a warm pink to me. In fact, it looks very cool compared to this very warm. Might be a typo. They probably meant a cool matte pink. But anyway, very pretty color. Would pop against a golden skin tone. So this entire set, the 3 full-size lipsticks plus the limited edition gold chrome bag, is $45, available at department stores. I actually think that's a pretty good price for these 3 lipsticks, considering the fact that one lipstick is typically $26. So $45 for 3 lipstick plus a makeup bag. That is really cute and very festive and holiday appropriate. I think that's a really, really great deal. And also, I think it's a really good gift. Next up, we have the mini set, which includes 4 mini lipsticks. These feature kind of a unique holiday style limited edition packaging. The mini lipstick is 1.6 grams compared to the full-size lipstick, which is 3.5 grams. This set with the 4 minis is $39. And let me go ahead and swatch some of these lipsticks. We have Inappropriate Red, which is a matte poppy red. To me, that is a stunning color that you can wear all year long, but it's also so quintessentially holiday. I love this color. Next up, we have Love and Lips, which is another matte, a light blue pink, but also very pigmented and very, very, very gorgeous. Next, we have Jolie Mum, which is a matte red plum. Oh, that is just stunning, stunning, stunning. And last but not least, we have Rose Cliff, which is a satin soft rose. Stunning. Okay, again, I'm feeling like this is a pretty good deal for $39, and I think it would make a great gift for someone who already loves makeup and who likes playing around with different lip colors, because this one offers a great variety of a nude, a rosy color, and also some red options. And the package itself is compact enough to be a great stocking stuffer or even a standalone gift, honestly. Next up, we have another lip set for $39, and I think this one is perfect for someone who's maybe not so into makeup but is still into looking beautiful and presentable. So this is a lip balm set featuring 1 full-size lip balm, the original Orgasm. I'll actually apply this one to my lips. just so you can see how gorgeous it is, because I'm typically not a lip balm person, but this is a different type of lip balm. NARS lip balms are a lot more dressy than most lip balms. There's shimmer, there's glimmer, there's shine. It's not one of your lip balms that you only wear to the gym. Like, you can wear this to the gym, but you could also totally wear this at your holiday dinner table. So this set features the full-size Orgasm and also 3 minis in the following shades. We've got Fast Lane, which is a sheer mauve nude. We've got Dolce Vita, which is a sheer dusty rose. So gorgeous though. We've got Laguna, which is actually my favorite lip balm from NARS. And this one is just like this gorgeous, bronzy, sand dune-like summer shade. Really stunning. And I'll also swatch Orgasm for you, just so you can see the difference, or just so you can compare the 4. And here's Orgasm. Not bad for lip balms, huh? It also feels super, super comfortable on the lips. Not super glossy, not super balmy, just like comfortable, like you're wearing chapstick. And it just adds that little bit of that healthy shine. So I do love these and I do recommend them. Last but not least, we have these 2 super cute Christmas ornament sets. One with 2 lipsticks, one with 2 lip balms. The lip balm set is $22, whereas the mini lipstick duo set is $20, even more affordable. Again, we've got that inappropriate red. Keep in mind, this packaging is the original matte packaging, not the shiny one from the first lip set. And we also have another color. This one is called Band Red, and it's a satin mulled wine. Stunning. I'm not gonna open up the mini lip balm duo ornament because the shades I've already swatched. This contains the mini Orgasm and Fast Lane, which I swatched before from the previous set. So I think this one I'll actually save for a gift for someone, or maybe for one of you. You want it? You got it. Read below for details. I thought we were done with the lips, and we have 2 more holiday lipsticks. These are $34 each in unique holiday packaging. Gold, very, very gold, very heavy packaging. And the colors here are Rita and Anita. Now the full-size lipsticks that are available in the gold packaging actually come in 5 shades, and they are NARS bestsellers. So Rita, Anita, also Barbara, which is a tan rose, Audrey, which is a red currant, and Mona, which is a mahogany shade. Both of these are satin shades. Moving on to the remaining 4 holiday kits that we have in this collection. We have the Orgasm Blush, $40 for this exclusive packaging. And also, this is an oversized blush. So this is not what the regular size looks like. I mean, Orgasm Blush is iconic. It's their best-selling color. It looks great on everyone. It's just this really unique formulation and unique color compilation of peach, gold, pink, and it just brightens up the face in the most natural and flattering way. Also have, ooh, an iconic glow cheek duo featuring 2 colors. You guessed it, Orgasm and Laguna. Laguna is actually my favorite bronzer from NARS. Each of the pans is actually 0.35 ounces or 10 grams, so that's a lot. Even if this is 10 grams altogether, I still think this is a better deal because you just get more for your money. Period. It's so gorgeous, and I am going to use it today. So you could probably tell my face is very flat looking. I just have my foundation on. I'm actually wearing the NARS Soft Matte Foundation that I have a love-hate relationship with. Although it looks really flawless, it only looks flawless for about an hour on me and my oily skin. After an hour, the matte starts to break up and it starts looking oily, unfortunately. By the end of the day, this foundation just looks very cakey and it just mixes in with my oils. So it's not one of those foundations that is my go-to, but the shades and the initial effect is just so flawless that I like to wear it on camera sometimes, or I like to use it with like lots of helpers like powder under foundation and powder on top, setting sprays, you name it. I do it all. But I do have a review of that one in case you're interested in watching it. And last but not least, we have another ornament like mini Orgasm double duo with a tiny little Orgasm blush and also the highlighter. Ooh, I've never tried the highlighter, so I'm excited to try it today. I'm gonna dip into this Laguna bronzer. I do love this bronzer a lot. And I love the larger size too because it's so easy to just swipe across with your brush. I'm using my PIXI brush from my very first collab. It's no longer available, unfortunately. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start slapping on that bronzer to the perimeter of my forehead just to add a bit of warmth, add a bit of definition. Looking better already, no? And just for reference, this is what a swatch looks like. This is a color that is actually very close to my skin tone, at least the skin tone on my hand. So it looks very, very natural, but it definitely adds that little bit of definition, that bronzing and contouring that my pancake face so desperately needs. Don't worry, I'm not talking bad about myself. I love my pancake face. It's a perfect canvas. Right now I'm just chiseling out my cheek a little bit, adding a little bit of definition under my cheekbone, kind of just hugging this more protruding part. And then just blending into that hairline. Nothing too crazy, just a little bit of definition. Also a pinch of definition down the sides of my nose. I'm not even using a super precise brush for this. I don't really like a super contoured nose on me because my nose is already very pointy. Next up, let's hit up that Orgasm Blush that I love so much and looks really, really gorgeous on the skin. Next, I'm gonna go for this little highlighter. It's amazing. When I try to swatch bronzers and blushes, they really absolutely do not swatch on my hand. So the only way I could show you the color is really on my fingers because the finger has some oil, so it is able to pick up the colors. But when I glide them across my hand, like literally nothing comes off. So really, just showing you what it looks like on the skin is probably better than a swatch. Isn't it amazing how I only added just a couple of products and already my face is looking so much more festive. I'm also gonna use a bit of Laguna bronzer on just a big fluffy brush. This one is Wingosso 3. And I'm gonna chisel out my eye socket. This is one of those makeup artist favorite tricks. This is how you tie in the look together, regardless of what color you wear on the lids. But by using some bronzer and also some blush on your eyelids and across the face, makes everything very cohesive and it makes you look very, very put together. So although I'm kind of sad that this collection doesn't have any eyeshadow palettes, I think you could still pull off a look by using the bronzers and the blush. I'm gonna come down along my nose bridge right here, just under the brow, and kind of connect everything. This sometimes gives the eye such a nice goddessy kind of feel. Next, I'm gonna take a slightly more precise brush. This one is Laura Mercier Eye Crease. Dip back into the same bronzer and kind of just pack it on for a little more punch. So before I was just washing the color across my lid. Now I'm more so packing it on just to the outer crease for a little bit more action. And also a bit on the bottom. Next, I'm going for that highlighter shade. Wow, I'm gonna add that to the back of my cheekbone, also to my temple area, and right here in this spot, right underneath the wing. I don't even know what the spot is called. It's kind of like the soft area between the cheekbone and the eye. But when you highlight there, for some reason, it just looks very well lit from within and also kind of gives like just this youthfulness and this wetness to the face. Oh, this highlighter is actually more than what I was expecting. So I'm gonna maybe stop right there. It feels very, very, very soft on the skin. Look at that swatch. I mean, who knew? All right, let's see if I can use this on my lids. I love using light highlighters for the center of my lid because it helps open up the eye and just make it pop. Even with natural makeup, this is something that I never really skip. If I'm tired, one of my tricks is to slap on a pearly shade like this or a highlighter just to the center of my lid. Immediately, it just makes your eyes look more open and more awake. Also gonna slap a little bit to the inner corner and right here to the brow arch. I'm just using my finger here, but let's actually try it with the brush for some precision. Necessary, needed that. Woo! Do you see all that? Wow. I'm gonna blend it out just a bit. Don't want it to look like too much. Next for the lips. I feel like I could just leave it as is, but I don't feel like it. I wanna go for bold and for red. I wanna show you that a simple eye makeup can look so great for the holidays if you add the right lip color. Watch and learn. So I'm just gonna remove the balm. I'm just gonna use a red lip liner to line my lips or like reline them. So now for my lip color, I'm gonna go for that Inappropriate Red because it was just so gorgeous. And I'm also gonna compare the Inappropriate Red matte color swatch to the Audacious Lipstick Rita, which is a little bit more on the satin side. So here's Rita and here's Inappropriate Red. Both colors are great, but I kind of want to go for a matte finish, so I'm gonna go for the Inappropriate Red. I mean, is this not just like ridiculously gorgeous? This is a stunning, stunning shade. And because it has a lot of that bluer base and it's so bright, almost neon on camera, this is the kind of color that will make your teeth look really white, your skin look really flawless, and it will work on a lot of different complexions. Okay, so I just applied this Climax mascara on this eye. There's actually one more kit that I didn't talk about, and it's basically the Climax set with 2 Climax mascaras, the full size one. Actually, it's a Climax Extreme. Also the mini original Climax. This kit is $24. I'm only gonna use the mini so that I can include the Climax Extreme mascara in my little impromptu giveaway. Actually, I applied one eye off camera just so I could show you the difference between the two eyes. I do love this mascara. It's great for every day. It's not heavy, so it doesn't weigh down the lash curl. The way that I like to apply this mascara is strictly to the tips and not to the part that I curled. And because this mascara is very voluminous, it really does a great job of fanning out your lashes and making them look fuller and thicker, blacker and longer. And just a quick coat to the tips. Once the first layer has dried, I just add on a second coat because I find that this product layers really, really well. So you can totally use it to build up your lash. And voila, the look is complete. I actually feel like it's the perfect 2020 holiday look. It's definitely not too much. It's still very approachable and very wearable. And my verdict is the following. Although I was expecting more, given the fact that it's NARS and they excel in holiday collections, they have such cool packaging for their holiday collections every year. I was kind of expecting just a little bit more glitz, a little bit more glam, but given the fact that it's 2020, I totally actually see that it's appropriately packaged, it's well priced, and although it's still very glam and very sophisticated and well put together, it's not over the top because 2020 has definitely not been an over the top type of year. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and for making it to the end of the video. Again, I will be doing a giveaway of some of the items that I did not try on my face. Read below for more instructions. Follow me on my Instagram, and good luck. I am zooming on out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Check out a video that you may like, and also my latest video if you haven't watched it. I love you guys. Mwah.